our automatic cup sealer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a length of 10 inches. A depth of 15 inches. And a height 24 inches tall. Coming to the top left and right will be two rollers where the film can be changed. And coming to the bottom with the push of the power feature is where the cup can be inserted. By removing the O-ring, we have a cup radius of 3.5 inches. With the O-ring inserted, we have 3.25 inches. Between the base where the cup will stand towards the top of the tray, we have a height of 6 inches. Going to the top are two additional screens along with function buttons to operate this cup sealer. Coming to the back will be the CE certification along with the technical specifications. And this will require a 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.